Hello.
Hi. Neskin Rice here with a very special Pokemon unboxing. We got the new Evolving Skies set. Not one, but two.
Yay!
Show the front.
Oh, that was the back. I was like, why is it not focusing? I'm dumb. But yeah, we're gonna open these for you. And hopefully we get some good stuff, because some of the boxes we got in the past have been stinkers. Let's go, rainbow cards.
Rainbow cards. There we go.
Don't think it's low enough. But okay, let's start with the cool set first. Oh, book.
Look.
Buke. Manuel. Evi!
Get the dogs. Mush, come here. Mushy, come
Look
here.
at some of these cards. They are beautiful. Oh, they're the shiny. Oh, no, I guess it's not a shiny Flareon. I thought it was a shiny Flareon, but the Vaporeon's not shiny, so I guess not. Glaceon, Jolteon, Sylveon. Ooh, they got the Galarian Articuno. Ooh. No shiny Pokemon in this set, but that is some nice art. Beautiful full art. I would love getting any of the evolutions. Ooh, especially that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Rayquaza. So many beautiful and the rainbows. Oh, I love the rainbow cards.
Wonder which one we're gonna get.
Probably none, because the Pokemon cards hate us.
I don't know. When Mike brought us that one random pack, got a full art out of just a cheapo pack.
Oh yeah, you got the full art trainer card. The she has the Mega Lucario. I can't remember her name for the love of me. But yeah, God, this is such a strain. Box. Ooh, the inner box is cool too. Mini energies.
Hey, more projects.
I love the sleeves. That's the main reason why I'm opening this box. The sleeves are beautiful. And then the card potatoes hide the special card. You will not get my code cards. I refuse. Coiners. And the dice. I love the dice because it's like Jolteon, Flareon, Umbreon, Leafeon. Those are nice. Nom nom nom. Okay, packs. The new set, Evolving Skies.
Evolving Skies.
See, there's an Umbreon.
The Tower of Doom.
Don't remember this Pokemon's name, but it's the Gigantamax. Ooh, Rayquaza. Sylveon. Another Umbreon. Another Tower. Rayquaza and Sylveon. Start with a Tower. God, this is so hard. You don't know this, but we are positioned in such an awkward way where this is very uncomfortable. Arrgh.
And I got a dog in my lap, so.
Yeah. So we start with a C-Dot. Slack off. Flabébé.
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 Caravine.
I always confuse this Pokemon's name with Carnivine. It's like, that's not how you say that. Carvana?
Public education, you're winning every time.
Dude, this is not a normal word. You say it.
I'm with you on that.
Dwebble.
Dwebble.
There's a dwe.
Derby looking Dwebble.
Oh, nice reverse Dino. I have a shiny in the Pokemon Go. And Gorgeist. And an Energy. And a Tentacle. And a Palpitoad. And a trainer card.
Shopping center.
And you're not getting my code cards.
You mind if I open one then?
Okay.
Center.
I know, right? You gotta, like, arch your body.
Ah. Son of a bitch.
Just to try to...
Give me the scissors over there.
You don't know how to open... Here, I'll open it for you. There you go. Don't let them see the code card.
I will show off the code card.
No, it's my code. Okay, hold it, like, tight so you don't see any potato. Stop hurting the cards.
I'll find you open. You do it then.
Mer. Little pup. Emolga. You can say the names if you want.
Tentacle.
Tentacool.
A weird pumpkin.
It's Pumpkaboo.
Pumpkaboo.
Oh, that's that claymation art style. Ooh, I feel like Halloween.
It's almost Halloween. Big on.
Back on. Momo. Hippo.
Reverse hippo.
Hippo. It's a Powdon.
Powdon.
Do 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 do.
And I'm good luck.
Huh. It has this kind of interesting effect. Like where the main part of the card is actually kind of raised. You can't really see it too well. But like if you're looking at this in real life, there's this like unique raised with the main Pokemon and the background's flatter. I can't really explain it better than that. I mean, it's just a Golurk, not really the best, but it's something. I would much rather have preferred to have gotten an evolution. Fighting Energy. That is a weird looking Hypno. That is a Squatty boy. Fletchinder. Lantern. And you can't have my code card.
Code card.
My code card.
The Tower of Doom is next.
Yeah. Okay, you want to try again, except be better?
Nah, because I got a dog in my lap. I can't really move.
I know. I'm hurting my back just trying to keep the cards in line with the camera.
Wow.
Rarf. Come on, Eevee. Give me some evolution. I don't even care if it's not full art or anything. I just want a nice evolution. Slack off.
Again.
Petalilly. Whatever. Petalil. Pikachu.
Pika.
That's a cute Pikachu. Pumpkaboo again. Rufflet.
I hate when you get the same card twice.
Reverse Applin. Apple. Apple.
The damn camera.
I know. Seismitoad. Got 3 shinies of those.
Energy.
Stadium. Beldor. And a Skiploom. Skip to my plume. Skip to my plume, my Pokey. Okay, Sylveon pack. Give me Pokemon. Give me you. Give me you or one of your families.
Please.
Starting with it and Molga.
Trash out of here.
It hurts to hold like this. My spine. Emolga. Tentacool again. Pumpkaboo again. Bagon again. Love Disc. That's pretty. Ooh. How do you say your name?
Cora.
God, I don't know you.
It's a snowflake.
It is a snowflake.
We would call you a snowflake. That is a snowflake.
Yeah, I cannot pronounce your name. Again, I'll start losing Pokemon names after like 5th gen-ish or... Yeah. I can't remember what generation you are from. I don't think... This Pokemon's not in Pokemon Go yet, right?
Not yet.
Okay, so maybe 6th gen are you from? Not sure. Or something. Something. Aww, Appleton!
It's fat.
It's so cute!
It's fat.
He's so cute! Did you know you can eat him?
Huh.
Yeah, it's in his Pokedex. Kids peel off parts of him to eat. And apparently he's okay with that. Steel Energy. Capoudon.
Regular one.
Braverary. Oh, the Hisuian Braverary. I cannot wait for Pokemon Arceus. We already pre-ordered Diamond and Pearl. Ah, that's cute. Lucky Ice Pop. Be lucky then. No, you can't have my code card. Lucky Ice Pop. That makes me think of Kingdom Hearts. It looks like the salty sweet ice cream cone. Not ice cream cone. Ice cream pop from Kingdom Hearts. Can't think of the name right now. My brain's just going. Psyduck. Quack. Yay, there's an Eevee.
Regular one.
Eevee. Where's your brothers? Sisters? Cutie Fly.
Cutie fly.
I think this thing's based off of a gnat.
Oh, we got plenty of those in our house.
Pikachu. Applin. Copycat. Oh, this was a good card back in the day.
It's reverse hollow.
Ooh, Florges. That's pretty. It's textured. I'm not sure if that means anything.
Energy.
Energy. Shelgon. And Lombre. And a mask. Helmet.
That's handy in today's day and age.
So you want to be a celestial dragon?
Hey, who knew they were ahead of their times?
Comment below if you got that reference. Because we don't get comments anyway, so why not?
They were well ahead of the days.
And then you get punched in the face.
Yes, that was predicting 2020, 2021 right there.
Oh, I love Mareep. So cute. I'm a sheepy lover. I love what the ship is. Drowsy. Scraggy. Feebas. Fishy. Hitmonchan. Fun fact, I think Hitmonchan was based off of... No, unless I was... I don't know. When I think Hitmonchan, I think of Jackie Chan. That's probably not true. I can't remember what it was. Don't listen to me. Crystal Cave. That's pretty. Wishy-washy. Energy. Herdier. Pyroar. Dream Ball.
Dream Ball.
Dream Ball. I love the Dream Ball. It makes beautiful puffy smoke, which something I'm excited about is they're bringing back the seals for the Diamond and Pearl games. Okay, we're down to 2 packs and we still got Bupkis. We got a Florges and a Golurk. Bleh. 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 The bleh. We have such bad luck with Pokemon cards. Love Disc. Come on, we got a Lucky Popsicle. One of you has to be something. I will take a full art for crying out loud. As long as it's an evolution. C dot. Slack off. Flababa. Carvanahana. Carmanamana. Ooh, Zoroark. Trapeus. Energy. Creepy Mask. Is that supposed to be a reference to that one trainer? And then Gritty. Another Braviary. Oh my god, these packs suck!
What is that box?
Last pack magic, come on. It's an Umbreon. It would have been worth more money to not open this and resell it in the future. But whatever. Dwebble. Mareep. Throbsy. Scraggy. Fudibus. Ooh, Entei. That's nice. Still not. Scoutland. Energy. And Pack was like, yeah, fook you. Nothing. Nothing. This box was sad.
Well, you got another box.
It's probably going to be sad too. Here, put these cards in that.
Box.
Yeah. And these. And this. All this.
All that.
All that. Okay, so that box was a complete and utter disappointment. At least I got some nice sleeves out of it, I guess. I don't know. So more of the same. This book. Same cards. Roggle Roggle. Ooh. I might actually keep these. Those are really cool. I usually throw that stuff away. MLJ.
Alright, we need more.
Sleeves. Those ones are so pretty.
I'll put them over here.
Okay, yeah. And then these dice. I love these. Glaceon, Vaporeon, Espeon. I mean, not Espeon. Yeah, no, I was right. Espeon. And Sylveon. The name was like, wait, what? Here you go. Okay. Put that in the box. More packs. Same designs. Why is this one fat?
Maybe it's got the special one.
No, seriously, this pack feels a little heavier.
Open it and...
No, is it just me? You feel that?
I'd say open it and find out.
I'm going to open it last because this pack feels oddly heavier. I have good
Maybe.
feelings for that one. I don't know why. It felt like slightly heavier. Rawr. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Rarg. Wriggles. Roggles. Rawr. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. Lotad.
Looted.
It's just Lotad. Cutie. Sableye.
He looks like he's on meth.
Teddy Ursa. Cute. More Shapeys.
Sheepy.
Shapey. Give me more sheep. Oh, Zora. Swoobat. Oh, Swoobat. Wait, Swooboo. Swooboo.
Swooboo.
Swooboo.
Swooboo.
Huh. Slacking.
Worst Pokemon I got in my Pokemon Go.
It's actually good in the video games. It's just Pokemon Go. They nerfed him so bad because his first move is completely useless.
He's just a shield at that point, is all he is.
Meat Shield. Eskew. Ooh, Dragon Roll. It's a roll of dragon. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Okay. Sylveon. Ah, my spine.
Stretch.
I am breaking my back for this video. Oh my god, this is so uncomfortable. We're sitting on the floor with a video camera pointed, and we're just trying to keep the cards in line with the camera. It's rock and rolla. Oh, so cute.
Boo-ba-doo.
He's woo-boo-boo-boo. Swoo-boo-boo-boo. He's my baby. Leo. Chin Chow. Dino. Pelpatoad.
Bryce Hollow.
Milotic. Energy. Gobi. That's pretty. And I cannot pronounce this. Is Z. Tell me in the comments how do you pronounce that. Dabba dabba dabba. Actually, you can't tell me because unless you like space it out or something. I don't know. I don't know how you say that one. It's like I know Dino. I know Hydreigon. I don't know that one. Abada Fletchling. Continue on our streak of sucky cards. Chinchou. Petalil. Dino. Teddiursa. Shiny Swablu. Me. Ooh, Artillery. Artillery. Dubba Dubba. Stinky Binky. Bobba Bobble. Blob. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna start throwing cards.
It's trash.
$117 I think we spent on these boxes. Not one single damn good card. Everything's been trash.
Don't get mad, get glad. It's a hippo.
I'm a hippin'. Look at him. He has a dirty look. He's like, you calling me fat?
Yes, he is fat.
Or actually, you call him ugly. You say he's ugly. He's not ugly. He's cute.
He ugly.
He's giving you the stink eye.
He's got a stink face, what he's got.
No. Little pup. Nickit. That's pretty. Bergmite. Baby. Reverse my low tech. That's nice. Oh, ha. Entei. Except this texture. Woo. It's still not that good.
I like the mood that we're going to watch this real bad. Because you start off happy and then you're just going to get, mood's going to go to crap quick.
Oh yeah, we're down to 4 packs. And still shit. Give me golden, rainbow, full art, something nice. That is Eevee related or Rayquaza, something.
Hey look, a card we got.
Fish. Seed. Monkey.
I've seen that card 4 times.
You've been keeping count?
No.
Okay, there.
There you go.
Still not full art. It's still something. Volcarona. That's nice, I guess. Avalog. Vigoroth. And Dream Ball. Dream of getting good cards. Yeah. This has been so disappointing.
We're complaining.
Never.
Stop complaining.
Never complain. Complain. Damn it, I already got spoiled. This is going to be a trash. 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 Ooh. Not so trash. It's just a reverse, but still. Ooh.
Articuno. It's going to be you.
Galarian Articuno. Flapple.
Flappy?
Flapple. I mean, it wasn't the best, but at least I got an Articuno, I guess. Never open from the back. Or was it the front? Which way did I have it?
I don't know.
Yeah, that way. Yeah. Blarg. Blarg.
Look at your dog down here.
Aw, oh, she's so cute. Like this puppy. Pupper. Muga. Typical. Schmugaboogo.
Smooth.
Bugabla.
Snowflake.
Shiny.
Shiny snowflake.
Kind of like that. Blah blah blah. Shbooba. Booba. Blah blah. Bleh.
Well, we're down to the last pack, so let's savor it. The
Bleh.
one you had a feeling on.
Bleh. 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 Disappointment all around. Snowflake.
That's what you are right now.
No, I'm not. Pipple Wibble. Burger Manamana. Dubba dubba dubba. Spiggy bigga bugga. Badabba.
Oh, it's full art. Or no.
You're dumby. It's trash. Trash cards. Trash cards. Trash cards. Trash cards. All the trash cards. Get that twice. I had good feeling and I was wrong. Everything was trash. Nothing was good. I guess the Volcarona, I like the Articuno, and then got Entei. Everything was trash. Disappointment.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll see you all in the next video.
Hold on, I wanted to do a bonus. Forgot to do this when we were first opening. Let's look at the days. Got Sylveon, Umbreon. I don't care about the Tower of Doom, and Rayquaza. Ah.
Alright.
And what was in the other one? Give me that.
It's the same one, I'm afraid.
Oh, it's the same? Okay, well, woof. So, disappointments. Bye.